Hello everyone, how are you all? So as we know, the solar eclipse is approaching. So there will be many superstitions which will be rounding around us. That you should not do this, you should not do that, you should not eat, you should not sleep, you should stay away outside, you should not see the sun. So these all are the superstitions which are surrounding us when there is a solar eclipse. So these all things are not true. So we are living in a 21st century where the science is such advanced. So believing in these small things is not at all necessary. We know solar eclipse is a very good natural phenomenon where the moon blocks the sun so that for a moment of time we could not see the light which is coming from the sun. Okay, so moon is blocking the sunlight, due to which we will get a solar eclipse. So seeing this is very interesting. Why? Because we can able to learn about nature still more eagerly. Okay, when we are trying to enjoy the nature, what is happening over there, then we can learn the nature easily. So to view the solar eclipse, I highly recommend you to view the solar eclipse. But you should never see the solar eclipse directly with your naked eye, or we should never see not only on solar eclipse, at any time of the sun, you should never see the sun directly with your eyes. Why? Because it could highly damage your eyes. So then what is the safest way to see the sun without damaging your eyes? So first method is using the solar eclipse glasses. Okay, so there will be a special solar eclipse glasses which will be available in the market and also in the online. So which will be allowing you to see the sun and the eclipse properly. Okay, this will cost in around 50 to 100 rupees. In some libraries, they'll give it for free also. So you can use this to see the solar eclipse. Or if these solar eclipse glasses are not available for us, then we can go for another method which is called as a welding shield glass. Okay, here I will show you. This glass is called as a welding steel glass, which is of grade 14. Okay, 14 grade welding shield glass we can use it. So this is mainly used for welding purpose, where they will use the shield so that they can easily see the arc of the weld. To see the welding arc, they will use this shield. So this is highly accurate or capable to see the sun directly. You can view through this. This will be available in the local hardware shops, easily around 20 to 30 rupees. So you can go and buy this and see the sun. And the next method is using a pinhole camera method. So using a pinhole camera, you can take a small paper or a hard cardboard box and pin a small hole at the center. Make a small hole and place it against a wall. Okay, whenever you place against a wall, the image of the sun will be appearing on that wall. Okay, so the image of the sun will be appearing on the wall, where you can see the clear image of the sun. Here it works on the principle of pinhole camera which we have learned. And the last method is creating our own solar eclipse theater. Okay, so this same pinhole camera method we have used to make a solar eclipse theater, a small kind of theater. I will give the link and this I button so that you can easily make in your own home and watch the solar eclipse. So this solar eclipse which we are going to get now, this will be again repeating in India after 28 months. Still 28 months you cannot see any solar eclipse. So I recommend you to watch the solar eclipse safely. Okay, so these are some of the methods so that you can watch the solar eclipse properly.